Good morning, you guys. In today's video, I'm going to be announcing the winner of the $100 giveaway that I was holding a couple videos back. I'm also going to announce the name of the Jeep Gladiator, the official name. And I also want to talk about the 5 things that I learned after owning a small business for 5+ years. Alright, so let's jump right into it. The first thing that I learned after owning a business for 5+ years is that you need to invest in your employees. My sister actually told me a quote that she had heard or read online a few days ago, and I'll paraphrase it. So there's a CEO and a CFO, and the CFO went up to the CEO and said, it's going to cost a lot to train our employees. What if we train them and they go to a different company and work there? And the CEO looked at him and said, what if we don't train them and they stay? So in the long term, what's more costly to your company? Having people that have no idea what they're doing, or spending money to train them and have them understand your business and know what they're doing? So the first tip would be to invest in your employees. The second tip is to know and understand every factor of your business. Even if you don't do it on a daily basis, it's good to know and understand what goes on behind it. In our business, we do a lot of demolition, so I need to understand what it takes to demolish a room and how long it would take. So I don't send a group of guys to demolish a room and it takes them 2 weeks to do it because I don't understand the business. I need to know that it's going to take X amount of hours, roughly, give or take, so I know what to expect from them. The number 3 tip is to trust but verify. So what does that mean? Owning a small business is tough already, so you're definitely going to need people around you to help you grow it and watch over the business. But every once in a while you need to spot check and make sure that things are being done to the level that you want them to be done. So you definitely need to trust people, but every once in a while verify that things are actually getting done the way they're supposed to. My 4th tip is to delegate. So what does that mean? Let's say I have 20 things that need to get done today. I need to be able to, as the owner of the business, tell so-and-so to do these first 5, I'll do the second 5, you do the next 5, and somebody else does the last 5. Delegating is huge, especially when owning a small business, because there are so many aspects. You are the accounting department, you are the HR department, you are the field department, you're the whole business. So being able to delegate is a super important trait to have when owning a small business, and I think that's huge. I also heard a quote one time, and it said, when delegating, 80% is good enough. So what does that mean? I found this to be especially true when owning a small business. You'll never find somebody that's as committed to your business as you are. Nobody's going to do things the way that I would do them. Now, that's not to say that employees don't care or they don't have interest in the business, but it's not the same as if you were to go out and do something yourself and then tell someone else to do something. And that goes on outside of business as well. For example, if you were going to help a friend move and you were packing their stuff in a box, they would pack something differently in a box than you would pack something differently. Not to say that you don't care, but to them it's their stuff. They worked hard for it, so they want to pack it nicely and make sure it doesn't break in transit. So same thing in business. My 5th and final tip is actually something my business partner and I were talking about just the other day, and it's perfection stifles growth. So looking for the perfect employee to do a perfect job every time, that doesn't exist. So don't waste your time looking for that and trying to work towards that. You definitely want to be as close to perfection as possible, but just striving to be perfectly perfect on every single job or every single customer that you deal with is not going to happen. Owning a business, there's always going to be issues and problems that come up. So definitely don't look to be perfect in every aspect of every way, because it's not going to happen. We're only human, and your employees and your staff are only human, so they're going to make mistakes too. But that's an important lesson that I learned. Yeah, you can't be perfect. Alright, so those are my 5 tips to owning a small business. Now I want to tell you guys what I officially decided to name my Jeep. Wait for it. Wait for it. Gladys. I thought that would be a pretty funny name because it is a Jeep Gladiator. And I also want your opinion. What do you guys think, or I guess it's kind of more of a riddle, what do you guys think is Gladys's favorite gift? Comment down below. What is Gladys's favorite gift? Okay, so we're going to jump over to my computer and select a winner for the $100 giveaway. Okay, you guys, so bear with me. My screen record tool is not working at the moment, so I'm putting the actual camera on the screen itself. So the first thing I'm doing is going to a website called commentpicker.com, and I'm going to go to my YouTube channel, grab the link for the video that I want to get the comment from, drop that URL here, and get YouTube comments. Okay, so there's 8 unique commenters, so you guys have a pretty high chance of winning. Then all we do is click start. The winner is, wait for it, Francisco Romo. Congratulations, bro. You have 7 days to reach out to me. You can either email me, my email's in my info box, message me on Instagram or Facebook, and let me know where to send the $100 to. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't already, make sure you smash that subscribe button. And I'm also going to be doing a lot more of these giveaways, so make sure you guys stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.